Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home. Are you ready to get ready for school? Today, we will use our picture dictionary to learn all the steps for a great morning. Let's go.
First, we wake up. Can you stretch your arms high like this? Say it with me. Wake up. Next, we brush our teeth. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Can you pretend to brush your teeth? Then, we wash our face to feel fresh. Can you pretend to wash your face? Rub cheeks gently. Time to get dressed. Pick your clothes for the day. What color is your shirt? Now we eat breakfast. Yummy, yummy in our tummy. What's your favorite breakfast food? Let's pack our backpack. What do we need for school? Say it with me. Backpack. Now, let's put on our shoes. Left foot, right foot. Tie or Velcro. Then, we zip up our jacket. Ready to go. Time to go to school. Some friends take a bus, some walk. Some ride in a car. We are ready for a great day.
Great job. You did amazing. Keep practicing your morning routine, and you'll be a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.